Nothing is more magical than a hot cup of herbal tea, especially when you are down with cough and cold. We will look at a few recipes and I will also share a way to prepare an immunity boosting mixture that you can prepare once and store for daily use. It saves so much time. Let's start with the simplest concoction. Boil 2 cups of water. While the water is boiling, let's wash and grate the ginger. Grating is better than chopped slices to really get the infusion right. You need 1 tablespoon grated ginger. Put it into a jar. Now pour hot water in and let it infuse for 2-3 minutes. Then strain it and squeeze some fresh lemon juice and add 1 teaspoon honey or as per your taste. Mix it well and sip it hot. It's really soothing. Now we can take it a notch up with some other ingredients that not only help with cough and cold but boost overall immunity. This is level 2. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more health boosting tips and recipes. In the earlier recipe, you can just add a pinch of pepper powder and turmeric. I prefer to use fresh turmeric for making the concoction. At our home, we don't use the store-bought turmeric powder, but rather this fresh turmeric in the kitchen. It is more effective. If you can't get turmeric root, then you can use turmeric powder. So basically, this second concoction has grated ginger, honey, lemon, pepper and turmeric. Now let's go to level 3. Here I will also tell you how you can create your own immunity boosting mix that you can just prepare once and use a spoonful every time you need that magical cup of tea. First, the dry ingredients. You need 4 to 5 green cardamom, 2 cloves, 1/4 teaspoon fennel seeds, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 1 inch Sri Lankan cinnamon or 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon powder, 1/4 teaspoon coriander seeds. Then you can either powder them in a mixer or hand pound them. I prefer to hand pound. And now the fresh ingredients. You need half a teaspoon grated ginger. You can use ginger powder as well, but fresh ginger is better. Half a teaspoon grated turmeric. If you can't get turmeric root, then you can also use turmeric powder. 5 to 10 tulsi leaves. You can also use dried tulsi leaves if you do not have a plant at home. Add all the ingredients to 3 cups of water and bring it to boil and let it simmer for a few more minutes. Now strain it and sip hot. As there are so many ingredients, sometimes you don't even feel like preparing it. So for the dry ingredients, what I do is I take a multiple of the base ratio. For instance, 40 green cardamom, 20 cloves, 2.5 teaspoon fennel seeds, 2.5 teaspoon black pepper, 10 pieces of 1 inch Sri Lankan cinnamon, 2.5 teaspoon coriander seeds. Then you can either powder them in a mixer or hand pound them. Then you can store this mixture for future use. Every time you need to make a cup, just take half a teaspoon of the mixture and you are sorted. So there you have it, your secret recipe for soothing herbal tea and an immunity boosting mixture. Say goodbye to cough and colds the natural way. Don't forget to watch this video where we explore the incredible world of millets and their unique health benefits. Plus, we also learn delicious recipes like ragi muffins and foxtail millet dosas. Thanks a lot for watching and do subscribe to the channel for more videos on building a healthy mind, body and soul.